Swissloop is a prime example for integrating different disciplines. About half of the team is mechanical engineers and the other half is electrical engineers. And this means they must work, talk and live without the close boundaries of their own study programs. In the classroom we teach our students the principles of mechanics, of thermodynamics, of electrical engineering, but it's all in the classroom. In mechanics, for example, we teach them what kind of forces they can expect inside a loaded piece of material, what materials to select to build certain components. In electrical engineering, they learn about circuits on the board. But by the end of the day, in order to become engineers, the best is to actually get your hands dirty or wet and do it, which means to design components, to work with those equations in practice. Everyone on the team is responsible for their own subsystem. Brakes, chassis, power electronics, controls, battery system. Everyone is in charge of one system. And this means they must take initiative. That means they must show leadership for their own system, but they must also show responsibility towards the team as a whole. At the beginning of the semester, we put together a team of many students who have never seen each other, who don't know each other, who come from different backgrounds, different disciplines, but within just 9 months they have to come up with a fantastic new system. And this requires a lot of interpersonal competences and abilities that goes far beyond the pure math, mechanics and physics. Engineers nowadays need to respond to sudden changes, and especially technological changes all the time. New inventions come up, new challenges come up, new shortages of material and components come up, and they have to respond and they have to react. And this is one of the things that I think a student project like Swissloop trains the students very well in. They have to react to sudden changes. The wrong part is being delivered, well, we have to deal with it. The wrong components come, we have to deal with it. The sponsor is no longer available and certain parts don't come on time, we have to deal with it. So the Innovations Park Zurich offers a lot of advantages for the Swissloop team. On the one hand, of course, the facilities that the team has here indoors. Of course, they need lots of space to build the hyperloop pod and to build the new technology. At the same time, there's also key infrastructure available here for assembling the components, for building the pod, and also there's a lot of interactions with the other teams. It's not just Swissloop isolated, but there are many student teams here on the same hangar, and this leads to collaborations, to coordination, to just talking to each other and learning about what each other is doing. And at the same time, this special venue also offers outdoor facilities, which is fantastic because Swissloop as a specialty, they need to build an actual outdoor track. It's a permanent track that's built over 50 to 100 meters, and this must be installed outdoors. And this year they even bring the European Hyperloop Week to Zurich, and all this is enabled by this fantastic location.